Well, hi, everybody. It's Doug. So today we got a couple of interesting things. First of all, we've got a package, a Facebook Marketplace purchase, and we have a vintage lock, but there's a story to this. So you remember I talked about my friend Bill, the locksmith, and he's been doing me the favor of giving me some old broken locks so that I can take them apart and learn from them. Among them was this one, and and actually, when I went into his shop last, he actually was just watching the one where I was showing you the WB lock, the antique from the 1860s or 1880s WB lock, which he had actually sold me. So cool. Anyways, this lock came from him among the damaged, unusable locks. And what was wrong with this? Let me show you what this is supposed to look like inside. I've actually got a picture from somebody else's posting. And what you'll see here is that there is a rocking piece that you can see how it engages with the levers when it's opened properly. But there's a piece that sticks out that engages the shackle when it's working properly. Now let me show you what was wrong with the one I had received. And you can see that it's missing that piece to engage the shackle. So what I found was when I retrieved it, I tried closing it and it wouldn't lock, and I could not get any result out of it. So I opened it up, and you can see, took it completely apart. Gave me a great chance to learn about how these lever locks work. Next thing I did was I took out that rocker piece and I actually used JB Weld to weld on a piece of brass. And then I filed the piece of brass down until it matched the shape of the missing piece. So what you can see in this video here is what this looks like from the inside when you close the shackle. And as you close the shackle presses down on the rocker, the horizontal rocker. That then releases, and using a spring it pushes on, it releases the vertical rocker, which jumps in place and engages the shackle. And one more, what I did was while it was open, I made myself a key to match the levers, and oh God, I am not proud of this at all. That is the biggest hack job ever, but it works. So you can see the demonstration here as it is actually releasing. You can see how as I turn it, it then pulls the rocker back into the slots in the levers. You can't see the slots in the levers, but it works. And after I put it all back together again, we have this beautiful antique lock in working condition. It engages and it opens. So I'm actually really happy that I got to learn about the insides of these locks, learn how they work, but also managed to get one saved, put it back together, and put a little life into it. So this is my newest collectible, where it originally started out as a broken, unusable lock. It is now time to open up my Facebook Marketplace purchase. This one is actually kind of funny because I've noticed all week, Chris Capune has been doing a lot of Lockwood locks, both the Australian and the American. And I managed to find an American Lockwood padlock, which honestly, I have not, I have to be careful because I don't know what I'm going to find inside these things. I have not seen many of these things, and the one I did see was without a key. This is a fully intact American Lockwood. If I ever get to it, it's lock within a lock within a lock. No, this is a fully intact American Lockwood with key. Okay, by now you guys have like flipped on to the next video. And here we go. Oh, that is a beauty. Fully intact with key. And the one thing that I noticed about it is this is supposed to be, this cloverleaf is supposed to have a full Lockwood letter L in there, but it does not. But that is just a beauty, and it operates properly. I do intend to check this out, maybe clean out the inside just a little bit. Wow, it's actually a very short turn too. It's not like a lot of locks where you turn a quarter turn to get it to open. So this one just takes a tiny little bit to unlock it. Kind of neat, but I do love it. And so next video, after I've given a chance to clean it out, I am going to take a chance on picking it for you. So there we go. And one little piece to go with this, I did some research and found it right here in this 1932 Lockwood catalog page. So this basically has existed for some time, at least since the 1930s. And also, actually, while I'm wrapping up, this one I cannot find in more like if you want to call it 1920s plus catalogs. I'm guessing this Corbin has to go back to the 1800s, this Corbin padlock. Cannot find a Corbin catalog that goes that far back, but there we go. So we have a beautiful Lockwood, which we'll get cleaned out and do some picking on for you. And we've got our rebuilt Corbin lever lock with 6 levers and now a key. Thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please do, if you haven't already subscribed, do hit that subscribe button. And if you get a chance to, give me that thumbs up to show me if you liked it. And if you have some comments, I'd love to hear them. I do appreciate it. Thanks for all your time, everybody. Take care, stay healthy, be well.